The 2025 summer transfer window is full of shocks, not just blockbuster signings but some major exits across Europe. Big name players are being quietly or forcefully pushed out of their clubs, whether due to tactical shifts, financial strategy or form decline. The message is clear: no one is safe. In today's video, we'll go through 10 players being forced out this summer and explain why their clubs have made these bold, often ruthless decisions. We'll start with Marcus Rashford, a player once considered the heart of Manchester United's attacking future. After a tough 2024-25 campaign, Rashford has been on loan to Aston Villa, with a 40 million option to buy. His inconsistent form and apparent mismatch with Ruben Amorim's pressing system have cost him. What's worse, United seem prepared to let him leave permanently. Rashford is now fighting for relevance elsewhere, far from the place he once called home. Just behind Rashford is Alejandro Garnacho, another Manchester United talent who's now being linked with a summer exit. Despite showing flashes of brilliance, his decision-making and inconsistency have frustrated coaches. With United aiming for more tactically disciplined wide players, Garnacho is considered expendable, either on loan or sold outright. The buzz around him is still strong, particularly from Spain and Italy, but his Old Trafford career may already be in doubt. Jack Grealish was once City's record signing, but now he's on the periphery, with Pep Guardiola answering in a faster, more direct playing system. Grealish's patience and dribbling and slower tempo no longer fit the tactical plan. Injuries haven't helped either. Multiple reports suggest City are open to offer, especially if younger talents like Oscar Bob continues to rise. Grealish could be heading for a new start, possibly abroad or to a Premier League side willing to revive him. At number 7 is Joao Felix, currently under a contract at Chelsea but just finishing a loan spell at AC Milan. The Portuguese forward was loaned out in January 2025 for around €5 million after falling down the pecking order under Enzo Maresca. While he started brightly in the Italy, while early goals in Serie A and the Coppa Italia, Milan have already confirmed they won't trigger a permanent deal. Back at Chelsea, there's no place for him either. He's stuck in limbo, unwanted for both clubs. A potential return to Benfica or another La Liga move may be on the horizon. Ter Stegen, Barcelona's long-time number 1, is now facing the exit door. After over a decade in goal, the German goalkeeper is being pushed aside. Barca, looking to lower wages and rejuvenate their core with promising young goalkeepers emerging and budget cuts looming, Ter Stegen exit feels inevitable. Bundesliga clubs have now shown interest, and with no contract renewal on the horizon, his Camp Nou chapter appears to be closing. Kyle Walker, the engine of City's right flank for years, is being phased out. Pep Guardiola's ongoing evolution means he's favoring more inverted or tactically versatile fullbacks. Now 35, Walker has reportedly accepted a potential loan move abroad, possibly AC Milan, with a modest €5 million option to buy. It's a classic City move: let go before decline affect performance. For Walker, it's a professional exit, but a clear sign his role at the Etihad is finished. Another Barcelona name, Christensen, is also on his way out. Despite solid performances, his profile doesn't match the club's next generation of defenders. With younger players and potential switch to a back-3 system, Christensen is viewed as a sellable asset. Contract negotiations have stalled, and Premier League interest could offer him a return to English football. For Barca, it's another calculated reshuffle aimed at reducing wages and improving versatility. Jadon Sancho is on borrowed time at Manchester United following a failed return from his Borussia Dortmund loan and lingering off-field tensions. United are actively looking for buyers. The club want to recover some of the €73 million spent, but will likely settle for less. Amorim's system doesn't suit Sancho's playing style, and with wages eating up valuable budgets, both parties are ready to move on. Germany or Saudi Arabia could be the most realistic destinations. Raheem Sterling was supposed to be Chelsea's experiment talisman, but that plan has collapsed. Under underwhelming form, fan frustration, and new youth-focused recruitment means Sterling is now unwanted. If still in charge has already rotated him out of the starting 11. Sterling has reportedly been offered to a club in the Middle East and MLS. A mutual parting of ways seems imminent, especially with Chelsea looking to cut the wage bill and free up squad spots. At number 1 is Rodrigo. Shockingly pushed out at Real Madrid despite his Champions League heroics, the arrival of Kylian Mbappe and Endrick has drastically limited Rodrigo's minutes. While he's still valued at the club, he's no longer essential. The tactical shift means Rodrigo may either be sold for a premium or loaned with an option to buy. Premier League giants are circling, and the Brazilian could soon headline a blockbuster departure that few saw coming. That wraps up our look at the 10 players being forced out this summer transfer window, from rising stars like Garnacho and Joao Felix to seasoned roles like Walker and Sterling. It's clear no one is untouchable. Football is ruthless and clubs are constantly evolving. Which name surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more transfer deep dives. Until next time, stay tuned and stay sharp. We'll catch you in the next one.